Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing my system sensor i3 photoelectric 12/24 volt 2-wire detector. I'm going to be installing it about here on the ceiling tile, which means taking it down. I have to drill into it. I'm not going to be putting a box into it because I believe, I think I have the box, but it's a double gang box, so it wouldn't look correct, and I couldn't get the circular boxes when I was at the store. So, yeah. So first we need to run wire. As you see, the fire alarm system's all normal. We need to run wire so up there, I'm not sure if you can see that. Where's my flashlight? If my flashlight's down here, I can show you. I don't know where it is. I mean, I could go on my phone, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Up there's like a crack, and what that goes into is that it goes into the above the ceiling tile part, and I have to remove a wire to right here, which is where that's going to be mounted. So let's show on here. And now we are going to start the running wire part of this. So here's the detector box. I've obviously opened this before, I just put it back in here. Just get this out. Here's the detector, and I need right now I need the base, which I put a resistor on it already. And here's the dust cover. So, put the base in here. What I need the base for, I need the head back over there. The base for, I needed, I need to trace a line, like a little circle there, so I can for running my wires through it. So I'll be right back when I've cut my hole. Okay guys, so I wanted to do it on this tile, but I'm probably just gonna move to this tile. I was able to move this one. I'm going to try my best to get this one moved. But actually, no, I'm just thinking of just doing it on this one, because also this, like if I slider a little bit, if you look up here, up there's a little thing, I don't know. There's a crack up there I can get through. So everyone, I'm back. I'm gonna actually, now I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna actually move this wire just a little bit so I can get it right there, which is where the detector is going to be instead of here. Because I feel like I can just cut a hole there, put my fish through, and just pull the wire through, which would just make it much easier. I successfully drilled in there on that part, so it comes out there. And tape. And now I'll have to bring this over there, behind that, and then into the panel. So I'm gonna get to drilling my hole right there and fishing the wire through it. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is actually going to be routing the cable. So I'm gonna put you guys right here, and I'm gonna put it on a time lapse. So I ran the wire inside of here. Now it's actually going into the panel. So now I'm going to, first let's move the ladder out of the way and get the tripod back. I'm not sure why I took it off. There we go. Now I'm going to shut down power. And since there's no batteries, there's just this one, but it's not even connected. It's doing the battery hack right now. I can just insert my key, and so now what I'm going to be doing is stripping this wire and wiring it up to zone 3. And my camera battery looks to be low, dang it. Well, I'm trying to get this fast, so I'm not going to record as much more. So I now have it wired up inside of the panel. So now out there, I'm going to try to pull the wire out a little bit, and I might have to extend it a little bit. But I'm going to be drilling the hole in the ceiling, and I'll show you the almost finished product when I'm done. So right there, I did a splice to extend the wire, and it comes out of a hole right there. Now I'm going to be installing the bracket. Hi everyone, as you can see in there, my wiring is done. So now I'm gonna put the detector head onto the base. I'll flip the screen real quick so I can see it. Put a little notch. Okay. And obviously I'll take this down when I'm done with it. But I'm gonna be doing testing. So now let's power on the system. Now it'll be all trouble-free if those wires are correct. Come on. And it's trouble-free. Oh, okay. The zone 4 resistor got loose. But now what we're gonna do is give it a second. We'll wait for it to blink. Sometimes you gotta give it a minute. There we go. Zone 3, basement smoke, and now we can reset. So keep an eye. You know what? I'll just put this on its base, and you'll see the light go out. So thank you everybody for watching. Just kind of collapsing my tripod here. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching, and the System Sensor i3 installation is complete. Soon there will be a alarm here actually, so that'll be cool. Bye everyone.